The term pre-foreclosure might sound intimidating and confusing, but understanding its meaning and implications is crucial for homeowners facing financial challenges. In this blog post, we'll shed light on pre-foreclosure, what it entails, and the possible steps homeowners can take to navigate this difficult situation. Decoding pre-foreclosure. Pre-foreclosure, sometimes called default or notice of default, refers to the initial stage of the foreclosure process. It begins when a homeowner falls behind on their mortgage payments and the lender issues a formal notice to inform the borrower of the impending foreclosure. The primary purpose of this notice is to give the homeowner an opportunity to resolve the default before the lender proceeds with foreclosure. The pre-foreclosure phase typically lasts for a specific period, during which the homeowner can explore various options to resolve the default, such as negotiating with the lender or selling the property. In most states, including Texas, the law requires lenders to provide a minimum notice period, which is usually 20 days. Exploring solutions for homeowners in pre-foreclosure. 1. Loan modification. If you're struggling to make your current mortgage payments, consider requesting a loan modification from your lender. This approach involves adjusting the terms of your loan, such as the interest rate or the loan term, to make the monthly payments more manageable. 2. Forbearance agreement. In some instances, your lender may agree to temporarily pause or reduce your mortgage payments. This short-term solution allows you to regain your financial footing before resuming regular payments. 3. Repayment plan. Another option is to negotiate a repayment plan with your lender. With this arrangement, you commit to paying a portion of the past due amount in addition to your regular monthly payments until the default is resolved. 4. Short sale. If retaining your home is not feasible, a short sale could be an alternative to foreclosure. In a short sale, you sell your home for less than the remaining mortgage balance, and the lender agrees to accept the sale proceeds as payment in full. 5. Refinancing. If you have a good credit score and stable income, you might qualify for refinancing your mortgage. Refinancing involves obtaining a new loan with more favorable terms to replace your existing mortgage, potentially reducing your monthly payments. Conclusion. Understanding pre-foreclosure and the options available to homeowners is essential for anyone facing this challenging situation. If you're in pre-foreclosure or experiencing difficulties making mortgage payments, consider seeking advice from a housing counselor, attorney, or real estate professional. Time is of the essence, so take prompt action to explore your options and find a solution that works best for you. Disclaimer: please seek professional and legal counsel on your own prior to selling a house. The information, materials, and content provided on this website, blog, or any communication medium are for general informational purposes only.